These are Renergy 100 DSSX2s. I'm going to hook them up and show you what they look like. There they are. They're all hooked up. Those are 1.2 volt. And they're going to a solar LED strip in the front. This is a 2-pack. And from Renergy, they are a great value. This is what they look like. That's the back of them. And we're going to put them up in a spot in the middle. I got it on there. So one of these panels now hooked up, and it should light up my front tonight. I still got to put some fuses on it, but I got all these panels here. I think these two are going to go away and they're going to be replaced, or I'm going to just double the capacity to make them 4.3 volts parallel. And that's what I did to these. 4 1.2 parallel. You don't see the fourth one here. It's down there. But there you go. Projects are going.